Hello my dearest 12th grade students. This week is our second meeting learning about news item text. Benjamin Franklin ever said that tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. So involve yourselves in the learning processes, then you will learn something and get the values of learning. Before continuing the lesson, I want to appreciate for all of you who did the previous assignment. On the next slides, there are the correct answers. You can check your own. A news item is mostly written in simple past tense as it tells about past tense. However, the journalist also uses present tenses to show that the events or the news is still worthy and updated to be read. It also uses accent verbs. What is accent verbs? According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, an accent verb is defined as a verb that expresses action. For example, run, walk, jump, talk, sing, speak, eat, drink, cry, push, skip, give, make, bake, and etc. And also in source part, the journalist writes the experts or the witnesses' opinions in reported speech. It can be direct or indirect speech. It also uses passive voice. You have got the material about passive voice on the 11th grade, so you can reopen your book or your notes and then you can learn the materials. And then the last one, the journalist also uses adverbs to make the news is easily understood by the readers. Jadi intinya adalah teks news item itu secara umum ditulis menggunakan simple past tense karena membicarakan suatu hal yang telah terjadi. Namun jurnalis juga menggunakan tenses present untuk menunjukkan bahwa berita ini nih masih update loh gitu ya untuk dibaca. Lalu juga text news item menggunakan accent verbs, yaitu verbs yang menunjukkan sebuah aksi gitu. Jadi bukan menunjukkan sebuah keadaan tapi sebuah aksi. Jadi ada aksinya gitu ya, seperti berlari, berjalan, melompat, berbicara, menyanyi dan sebagainya. Lalu di bagian source ya, di mana si wartawan akan menuliskan pendapat atau opini dari si ahli atau saksi mata, itu menggunakan reported speech, bisa berupa kalimat langsung maupun tidak langsung. Dan text news item juga menggunakan passive voice. Ya, materi ini telah kalian pelajari di kelas 11, bisa dibuka kembali catatannya. Dan yang terakhir, jurnalis juga menggunakan adverbs untuk membuat beritanya ini menjadi lebih mudah untuk dipahami. Here is the example of a news item text. Read and understand this news item text with your groups. After you read the examples of news item text ya, setelah kalian membaca news item text pada slide sebelumnya, pada slide ini terdapat sebuah tugas untuk hari ini, yaitu rewrite the text. Jadi kalian tulis ulang teksnya and then analyze the language features of the text. Kalian bersama dengan kelompok menganalisis unsur kebahasaan yang ada pada teks tersebut, seperti the use of simple past tense and present tense, accent verbs, reported speech, passive voice, and adverbs. You can do the assignment with your groups, but each of you write down the answers on your own book, and then you submit in the GCR on time. Well, my dear students, that's the end of our meeting for today. Thank you and have a good time. See you on the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.